We've all likely had a moment where we swiped our debit card or wrote a check only to wonder if we really had enough money in our account to cover it. If we didn't, our bank might pay the transaction anyway and then pass along an overdraft fee. These fees have become controversial in recent years as government regulators crack down on deceptive or fraudulent overdraft policies.
Now, a viral meme comparing the amount paid in overdraft fees in 2011 with how much property was lost during burglaries that year is making the rounds again on Twitter. One recent tweet has more than 75,000 likes. So, let's verify. Did overdraft fees cost Americans more than 6 times as much as burglaries in 2011?
Our sources are the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the FBI, and financial research firm Moebs Services. The meme, citing Moebs, says Americans paid nearly $31 billion in overdraft fees in 2011. Verify located a study conducted by the firm that confirms banks did take in nearly $31 billion in overdraft revenue during the fiscal year that ended in June 2011. Next, we checked the FBI's Uniform Crime Reporting Program, which tracks burglary statistics.
The Bureau confirms that Americans lost nearly $5 billion from burglaries that year. So, it's true. Overdraft fees did cost Americans more than 6 times as much as burglaries in 2011.
But that was more than 10 years ago. Since then, the disparity has widened.
In 2019, the most recent year with both statistics, Moebs reported banks collected more than $34 billion in overdraft fees, while the FBI estimated Americans suffered $3 billion in burglary losses, nearly 12 times less than the amount banks made in overdraft fees.
The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says overdraft fees take advantage of vulnerable people and points out 76% of people bring their accounts into the positive within 1 week of being hit with a fee. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.